Hello and thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of enabling automatic deletion of your browsing data on the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want to keep things tidy, this setting can really help you stay secure. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your smartphone. Next, look toward the bottom right corner. Tap on that button to open the main menu. Then, from the list that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Now, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Finally, toggle the switch next to Clear Browsing Data upon exit to turn it on. You can also customize what data gets deleted each time, such as history, cookies, or cached files. That's all for today. By enabling this option, your browsing data is automatically cleared whenever you close Edge, adding a layer of privacy. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.